tornado going south, west,
Yeah,
if I'm right.
southwest. Already forming. Seen on the radar. Yellow for now.
I have to go like to the. I hate that the road doesn't have numbers and I can't tell.
Yeah.
Rotation? Yeah, I see the rotation.
Yeah. There's already a tornado.
Oh, coming for like real Winston. No, you the Winston red iPhone. Okay. Now stop soon. Like what is it? I feel a building. I think there's a building.
So.
Wait, what? Wait, what? Okay. If I'm gonna stop on the Winston Road, I go for the right building. I don't know what it's called, but. I'm gonna turn there because like I can have a good place there.
Is it going into there?
I think it might be. Wait, if you check, we have the like near the building that what's a farm here? I think it's a farm. Yeah, it's a farm. Oh, big rotation. Big rotation.
Alright, so it's gonna be strong.
I can't guarantee that. But I'm stopping and deploying. I'm deploying.
Is it going to go somewhere here?
We just go a bit more back. Like on the road with it. You can go forward on this like go just back. Go back a bit.
Like here?
Oh, I think where I'm nah, a bit more, like to the road that's crossing each other.
Okay.
Oh, wet forming.
How much is it right now?
When I can change to highway. Oh, big rotation. God damn.
How much is it right now?
128 and it's growing because it's probably like 150 because it's far away from me.
I thought it's going to go right over here. Look at the map.
134. Yeah, like 135. Okay, you can survive it, you survive it.
Yeah, you can survive literally almost.
Yeah.
But not like the whole a server with 49 wind shear as the IC2 that was Remember?
Big rotation. I remember. Oh yeah, when you have behind it, yeah.
It's pink.
Oh, pink PBS.
Yeah. Wait, it's going more likely for you.
150. 151 and growing.
It looks like it's going a little bit for you.
I have to check on where I can do better because it's gonna be very close to me.
Yeah, I'm coming closer.
But not near. Like not gonna go far away.
Wait, let me go to the road. Go to like the road. Yeah, it's going to be on the road.
You're going in very good direction, but everything is to the right.
Yeah, but I need to get into the
One go out of here and out of the rotation. Oh, 160.
Wait, I'm not gonna hit it.
165. It's gonna be 170.
Oh,
Yep,
yeah,
it's going to be in the rotation. 167.
It's going further down.
Now stop. It's gonna move. I can see on the radar. I don't have to change directions. Now it's going to try to go. After it's doing the measurement. I'm going for
Yeah, go
the...
for the roll. The roll's gonna be the best. Okay, I'm already. Okay, I'm in the roll. Oh damn!
I'm still going. I don't know
Oh
if I
damn!
have rolled.
146.
I have 170. That's the better run away. 175.
What?
170.
Okay, which is a
Only
lot
not
more than I
170.
did. But still, I'm gonna get the best.
Deploy. Please blow. Okay, I'm deploying.
Best is the
Oh,
best.
I'm gonna be dead. I'm gonna be dead.
Not bad.
I'm gonna be dead.
I'm out. Yeah, wins is the best.
What will you
The
add?
best wins is the best.
Because you're gonna miss it.
Yeah.
Exit that, okay? Out indirectly in. Or change directions. No, or the out. It tastes good for you. It tastes good.